how to exchange ref points to money on Revolut. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can exchange or change your ref points into money on Revolut. So on the official Revolut ref points, it says exchanging ref points for airline miles. You can go to ref points on the bottom menu of the Revolut app. You can tap miles, choose one of the available providers and link your account and choose an amount of points and tap transfer. That's the one method, and you can also do that booking stays and experiences using ref points. You can go to ref points on the bottom menu of the Revolut app, choose stays or experiences. The options for redeeming points are shown on the checkout screen. Choose a discount amount among the options and complete the booking. And after that, currently redeeming ref points for discounts when paying with Revolut Pay is only available with selected merchants, and that's it. That's the 2 or 3 options or method you can use to exchange ref points into cash. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.